very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are happy at your home. Children, are you doing your homeworks properly? I hope you are doing well. Observe these pictures, children. Some children are helping to others and sharing their things with their friends. That is our lesson, helping and sharing. In that, Appu wants to eat the carrot halwa, so he planted carrot seeds. Every day he waters the plants. The baby carrots came out, children. That baby carrots grows like a huge carrots. He tried to pull out the carrot. It cannot pull out, so he requested to his friends. They all together pulled out the carrot. So he wants to eat the carrot halwa, na children. His grandmother prepared tasty carrot halwa. They together shared and had. Children, today we are going our new Roman, E-Roman. In that, what we have to do, children, circle the names of 8 vegetables in this word set. The pictures will help you. Few pictures are given for you, children. You have to observe carefully and underline or circle the words. Understood, children? In that first Roman, is there any word? No. First column, is there any word, children? Yes, tomato. Tomato is there, children, one of the vegetable. And second row, pumpkin is there, Pumpkin. When I am explaining to you, that time you have to circle it properly, children. Second column, spinach. Third row, is there any word? No. Third column, cucumber. Again, so children, observe carefully which row is that. Fifth row, peas. Fifth column, not there any word. Again, sixth row, is there any word, children? Not there. Seventh row. So observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See this one. What is this, children? Potato. Potato also one vegetable is there, children. So you have to observe properly. Last row, carrot. Again, last column, onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. So carefully observe properly, children. First row, not there any word. First column, tomato. Second row, pumpkin. Second column, spinach. Third row, not there any word. Third column also, third column, cucumber is there, children. Fourth row, not there any word. Fourth column, not there any word. Fifth row, peas. Peas is there, children. Again, fifth column, observe carefully, children. Is there any word? No. Sixth row, is there any word? No. Like that, you have to observe properly from the rows and column. Understood, children? Here potato is there. Last row, carrot is there. Last column, onion. Like that, you have to circle it and write in that side in your rough notebook. Otherwise, practice properly, children. Observe this Roman. Write a name of each set of words. Choose from the box. That is our paragraph, children. Here the given Roman, Roman. Write a name for each set of words. Each set of words. What is that meaning, children? In that box, few words are given. Clothes, furniture, colors, fruits, animals. These are all words we can call as a group of the names, children. Clothes. Even silk cloth also we can. Skirt, shirt, pant. These all are we are calling as a clothes. Furniture, chair, table. Whatever we are having items in our house, we can call as a furniture. Colors, black, red, yellow, pink. These colors we can call as all the colors we can call as colors. Fruits, banana, apple, orange, guava. These all are we can call as fruits. Animals. Understood, children? Even cat also, tiger. These all the animals we are calling as a name of few animals also we are calling as a animals. Clothes, furniture, colors, fruits and animals. Understood, children? Coming to that part, apple, banana, guava and orange. What are these all, children? Shall we call to these as a clothes? No. Furniture? No. Colors? No. Fruits? Yes. Apple, banana, guava, orange. These all are we are calling as a name of the fruits. What are these, children? Yes, fruits. Coming to this, chair, cupboard, bed and table. What are these all are, children? Shall we call as a clothes? No. Furniture. What we can call, children? Yes. Furniture. Skirt, blouse, shirt and frock. What are these all are? Clothes. What are these all, children? Clothes. See, red, blue, green, yellow. What are these all are? Yes, colors. What are these all are, children? Colors. Horse, crow, elephant and snake. What are these all are? Yes, and name of the animals. Name of an animal. So what we can call, children, this group? Yes, animals. Even small one also we can call as a apple, banana, guava and orange. These all are fruits. Chair, cupboard, bed and table. These all are we can call as a furniture. Skirt, blouse, shirt and frock we can call as a clothes. Red, blue, green and yellow. These all are colors. Horse, cow, elephant and snake. What are these all are? Name of an animal. So animals. Children, this is very important in our lesson. What is the, children? Understand grammar. In that understand grammar, till now we explained about the sentence, subject part. Understood, children? Today we are going to explain words. That is very important for a proper sentence. For a proper sentence, we should maintain basement. That is verb. What is the meaning of verb, children? Verb means doing words, action words also. What is the subject is doing, that part we can call as a verb part. Words that tell us what someone or something does or doing words. They are called verbs. That is also calling as a action words. Understood, children? Action words, doing words, action words. What are the doing? What they are doing we can call as a doing verbs. Understood, children? Something the subject part is doing. For example, Appu is swimming. Appu is the main part, a person. What he is doing? He is swimming. Shall we say Appu swimming? No. So we have to give the basement, that is, yes, verb part. Appu swam for an hour. In that part, so children, here three parts we are having, children. The subject part is doing, does. It means finished. The person is completed that action. Also we can call as a past tense, no, children. That is yesterday words. Words that tell us what someone or something does or doing words. They are called verbs. We can use doing words to talk about what is happening now. Swimming, swim, or what happened yesterday or some time ago. It means in that part of past tense, children. What he does, what he finished, what happened yesterday. Yesterday by this time what we are doing. For example, something we are eating. Eat, eating, ate. Eat means now it's present. Eating, continuing. He is in process. And ate means past tense. Already he finished his eating process. That one we can call as a ate. See, observe properly children. Write the yesterday words. These words, use words from the box. Yesterday words means what children? Past tense. It means finished. Yesterday it's sometimes ago. Sometime ago, these part we can explain in our next classes children, in that grammar more part deeply we will explain to you. Now we are going to explain yesterday words means completed. Understood children? Eat. Here in this box few words are given for you. Drew, came, sang, ate, blew, flew. Understood children? Eat. Eat is the now it's doing that action. Ate, past tense. Past tense, yesterday. Sometimes ago, we done this one children. Draw. Draw. Something drawing. Drawing. That past tense. It means yesterday word drew. D-R-E-W, drew. So, fly. Third one, fly. Fly. The bird can fly. The bird flew away. The bird. So, observe properly. Fly, flew. Blow, blew. Blow is the present. Blew is the yesterday word, otherwise past tense. Come, came. Come, came. Sing, sang. Sing, sang is the past word. See, observe properly. Eat is the present. Ate is the past tense. Draw is the present. Drew is the yesterday, otherwise past tense. Fly, flew away. Blow, blew. Come, came. Sing, sang. When you are reading this, eat, present tense. Present word. Ate, past word. Yesterday word. Draw, drew is the past yesterday word. Yesterday word. Fly, flew is the yesterday word. Blow, blew is the past tense. Come, came, sing, sang. Like that you have to practice properly children. Coming to this H Roman, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. Jal is one boy. What he is doing children? Is he sleep or sleeping? Is in night time stars are there means it's night doing action. So what he is doing children? Sleeping. The bird dash away. It means it's not there in that place. It means present tense or past word children. The bird, shall we say fly away? Flew away. Yes, flew away. Already it finished that action. Mother is dash. Mother is knitter, knitting children. Is there. If we are, one more thing children, wherever we are having the verb part, am, is, are, that sentences must we should use ing form. Sleep, ing. We can't say Jal is sleep. The mother is knit. Like that we should not say. Never use before the blank if you are having is, am, are. There must we should add ing form. Must we should use ing form. Jal is sleeping. Bird flew away. Why? Because this is the yesterday word. That's why we should use flew away. Mother is there now children. Must we should add ing form. So knitting. Mother is knitting. Grandma dash tasty carrot halwa. Grandma only singular now children. Makes or make. Make for plural things we should use. Grandma makes tasty carrot halwa. Understood children? These words we should use. We should write in the blanks children. The children are dash in the dash in the pool. R is there. Here R. What I said, children, wherever we are having am, is, are. Am is there. What we should add, children? Yes, ing form we should use this ing form. Verb plus if you are having am, is, are, we should add ing form. Understood? The children, are is there. Automatically we should use swimming in the pool. Understood, children? Once again I am explaining to you. Jolly is sleeping. The bird flew away. Mother is knitting. Grandma makes tasty carrot halwa. The children are swimming in the pool. See this, children? Jolly is sleeping. The bird flew away. Mother is knitting. Grandma makes tasty carrot halwa. The children are swimming. Once again, children, wherever we are having am, is, are, there we should use ing form. If you are having in the part of verb am, is, are, we should add for the word ing form. Understood, children? Very good. See this L Roman, children, write well. Here Raja, what he is doing, children? He is helping to the blind person. What he is helping, children? To cross the zebra. To cross the road. What he is doing? Helping. And Sushan is having umbrella, children. So he is helping to another one. Sharing his umbrella. Understood, children? Sharing and helping. That is our lesson, children. Look at these pictures of Raja and Sushan. What are they doing? Write 2 sentences about each picture. What Raja is doing, children? What Raja is doing? You have to write in that in your rough notebook. Otherwise, inside you have to write, children. Raja is helping to cross the road. Sushan is sharing his umbrella in the rain. Understood, children? Like that you have to write. Coming to this, do and learn. Read the names of vegetables in the box. Discuss with your partner and write the names in the correct baskets. Here 2 baskets are given for you, children. You have to choose vegetables that grow below the ground, vegetables that grow above the ground. Below the ground, like a carrot, is it grow in the ground or below the ground or above the ground, children? Are we pulling or just like we are taking from the above the ground, children? Yes, below. Like that piece of. So, few vegetables are given for you. You have to choose which are the onions, like onions. Which are the vegetables are getting from the below the ground? Which are the vegetables are getting from the above the ground? Like that you have to choose, children. Onion, beans, cauliflower, potato, carrot, tomato, beetroot and peas. These are vegetable names are given for you, children. From where we are getting, you have to observe properly. Onion. Onion from that above the ground or below the ground, children? Observe carefully. Inside or outside we are getting? Yes, onion from the below the ground. Below, inside, that roots are coming now, children. So, onion is from below the ground. Beans. Beans is that getting from the outside or inside, children? Inside the land or outside land? Above. And outside we are taking from the plant. Understood? So, beans. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is coming from inside or outside, children? Yes. Cauliflower we are getting from the above the ground. Whenever we are writing these all are, You have to observe properly from the box, children. Potato. Are you getting from above the ground or below the ground? Yes, the full muddy also is there, no, children. So, the potato we are getting below the ground. Carrot. Obviously, we are getting below the ground. Tomato. Above the ground. Understood, children? Beetroot. Beetroot inside or outside? Yes, inside, below. Very good, children. Like that you have to observe carefully and write in the boxes. Understood, children? Below the ground and above the ground. Onion, potato, carrot and beetroot. Above the ground, beans, cauliflower, tomato and peas. Like that you have to write into the correct baskets. Understood, children? Coming to the life skills, tick the boxes of sentences that show how you feel. How you are feeling. My teacher says that we must share our crayons. Sharing your crayons with others, is that good habit? I like sharing. Will you like to share your things with others or not? If you are like, you have to, which one is the right one, give the tick mark. See what you are feeling. You have to do this one, children. My teacher says, your teacher says that we must share our things. If you are like, I like, that's why I want to tick. If you like to share your things, you have to give the tick mark. Otherwise, I don't like. My mother says I should help her in the house. I would rather go and play. I am glad that I can help her and Papa. Will you help your parents or no, children? Yes. I have to water the plants in the pot sometimes. Sometimes if you want to like, I like helping our gardener. I would rather play with my friends. Opposite of will you like to help to the gardener or not, children? Yes. Like that you have to give the tick mark, children. Values and helping. We can thank people by saying thank you or by simply doing something that will make them happy. Write the name of someone who helps you to get ready for school. Who is getting ready to go to school, children? You have to whom you have to say thank you? Yes, mother. Obviously, to whom you are say to help, children? Mother. Help you reach school on time. To whom you have to say? Observe carefully, children. Write on help you to reach on time. Yes, father. To whom you have to say thank you? Otherwise, who is dropping to you, to them you have to say thank you. Looks after you when you are sick. Who are taking care, children? Yes, doctor. Tells you stories. Who will say stories to you, children? Obviously, if your grandparents are there, means they will say thank you. Yes. Like that, each and everything you have to observe properly, children. Observe from these options also you have to observe properly and do properly. You have to read properly, children. Underline that important words also. Each and everything you have to practice properly. Coming to the GH Roman, you have to practice properly in your rough notebook also. Next class, we will explain our activity book part. Children, will you do that? Very good.